The best Thai milk tea in Chatuchak. This is one street of Chatuchak.
And it's also cool.
One thing is here that size is a problem.
Chatuchak.
Shahrukh Khan. Oh, look at this bike here. So this is our vehicle that is come. Let's show you the interior. It's electric.
Andrew, what you're taking?
We are here, na, you can't do much of this, what do you call it, vlogging. These are the covers, the latest. We are heading to this Halloween theme side.
It's Sunday, 27th October. Jaden is 23 months and 2024. Today is our second day in Bangkok. Yesterday we arrived from Pattaya and it's very humid, dirty weather. So I dreaded in Delhi, then went to Chandigarh, same, and now come to Bangkok and same. So we are going to Chatuchak this now. Let's see. Feels like we are going on a war. And I'm dressed. We went down for buffet. Breakfast, Dad came while Jaden was sleeping. Then we packed up some food. Jaden had porridge with powder and he's saying no recording. Why? Why go? Ma. Oh, Jaden's upset. Come on, he wants us to go soon. He's very excited to go out. So you know, to Chatuchak, let's see what happens. So yeah, coming back to, I gave Jaden porridge. Andrew fed him little bit. He ate little bit only. Then he had one bread, the French toast which we got from the buffet, and potato. So today he is seeming fine. I've got honey put in his milk. So let's see whether he drinks it later on. And yeah, so we're heading out. Wherever he goes, he finds his own toy. He's taking out this box. Yeah? There. Good, he can spend his time here.
Submarine. Ice
Come on,
cream
like,
van.
not come here to play with JJ.
This set is fitting him better.
Boat.
Are we from Goa? Chalo, let's go. Yeah, Andrew, they told me go to Victory Station from there, Chatuchak.
You have to be.
So where is Victory Station?
Here.
Acha, from here Victory Station. Check Grab app, na? Grab how it will take us. We book the taxi.
Andrew's set is so nice here, I told you na.
Andrew, time to say bye bye.
Say bye bye. Bye. Say bye bye.
You like fun, okay?
Jaden, bye.
Say bye.
Give flying kiss.
Give flying to Papa.
He's asking whether to give Nana.
This is our car, lady driver. We're going to get into a Thai Ertiga.
Take your play box.
Holding it. Hold this. Thank you. So this is our car. We are going in this to our destination. We were first going by metro. Now we are going to go by cab. Here we go. Already reached Chatuchak. Just took us hardly 10 Just see the food here. As you enter, they have lovely food here. Very nice.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
I know you all don't like all this, but I enjoy all this food. Oh wow. Very nice. Nice. Chalo, we are entering the market. We have reached the market and I'll show you now whatever I can show you.
These are the ones they have, and we are taking like this type.
Less ice. Less ice. Yeah.
Fais le tour du monde, machallah. Pas comme les autres, c'est très bien. C'est dans la porte, comme un salon. Quand je suis pas là.
Yeah, what do you have?
It's the best Thai milk tea in Chatuchak.
Du monde, machallah. Pas comme les autres, machallah.
How's it?
Very nice.
C'est très bien. C'est dans la porte, comme un
Come on, let's see some more weird places. This is one street of Chatuchak.
And it's also cool.
Yeah, it's done very nice and cool. Oh, the songs are playing. So I'll have to talk more. It's turned cloudy actually. Very nice, yaar. There are thousands of shops here, you know. So you have to come here 4-5 times at least, minimum. See, where I'm trying to see something unique.
Interesting story. When I came here, was it boring?
No need to tell all that nonsense.
ना ना ऐसा गलत काम ना करना जी.
Rubbish. Rubbish.
First trip when I came to Bangkok at this same market. Anyways, I'll share it in my vlog.
Correct. Oh, see these banyans. This is nice, yaar. See this? You have this in. One thing is here that size is a problem. Everything is for small, medium, large. We XL people, so it's hard to get clothes. Oh, nice here. I'm trying to show you if there's something unique, then I'll show you, I guess. Because it's not worth keep on recording all this.
Kasi ghost you can.
Be careful with the chops up to ready.
Yeah.
Things all are Charlie, you know.
Small is cat.
Charlie can do anything.
Small.
Rather cats.
Yeah, but normal. Mau magdar daw jahil.
market is known as there?
Chatu Chak.
Huh?
Chatu Chak. Chatu Chak.
Shahrukh Khan? Market is known as there?
Chatu Chak. Chatu Chak. Chatu Chak.
Shahrukh Khan?
Chatu Chak.
Chatu?
Chatu Chak.
Chatu Chak?
Yeah.
Oh God, what the name is Chatu Chak?
Chatu Chak.
This is Chatu Chak market. See that side?
This is a very nice street, yaar. And the weather is a little humid. But it's just not cloudy. Oh, sorry, it's not sunny. And we were going to go back this now because they were not enjoying the shopping here. And here, you know, I find things are more expensive here than Indra Market, yaar. I'm quite disappointed of the prices here. So there's one full set I saw in Indra Market which was for about 250 baht. And the same exact same quality and same set here they're selling it for 600 baht. So I don't know, yaar, even if you... Oh, look at this bike here. Even if you... Oh, this is a cop's car. No, very nice. So even if you try and reduce the price, I don't think you can reduce it too much, yaar. How much you can bring it down to, bloody 3? You can never bring it down to 250. Less than half. So still.
1 hour later.
So this is our vehicle that is come. MG EV. We have ordered this one. Yeah. They're coming. This is the one we have ordered. We are moving on. Yeah. Can you open baby pram? Yeah. Yeah, we're going in this. So we are off from here. We had enough of this place. Anyways, we are seated here now.
Are you going to the Mabun Khong Center, right?
MBK.
MBK
Yeah,
Mall.
MBK.
Yeah. Chalo, we are off now. So
And it's electric, see?
it's electric. Let's show you the interior.
It's electric.
See,
Stand up.
here's the gears. See, jet black glasses these are. I don't know if you can make out from the in the camera, but yeah. See, very nice.
Yeah.
Yellow color.
So nice. The steering. Nice it is. Very nice. So, you have leg space at the back? Huh?
With the bag.
Wait, let me just put this on 0.5.
Leg space is there. And the bag is on leg.
Lot of space is there.
Andrew said, Jaden said he wants to sit in this color.
Huh?
He wants to sit in this color.
Acha, Jaden, what color is that?
Set? Which color?
Come on. What color is this?
Which color?
No,
No, he doesn't want to sit.
Acha, he doesn't want to see. Hello, anyways, we are heading to MBK and I hope we do some good shopping there. Here we did nothing, only got this hat. That's it.
Tell Papa.
200 baht.
Some dresses and all.
We are going to the expressway.
Expressway?
Yes.
Everything we want was a
Okay. So there's extra charge for that? Is it extra charge?
Yes, charge 50 baht.
This is the expressway. So if they take you by expressway, it'll charge 50 baht more. and the expressway also is full.
What color, Mama?
When we were coming, then it was empty.
What
This
color? Yellow.
empty.
Say yellow.
Lovely car. Yaar, see this.
Yellow.
Very nice cars are here. Yaar.
Yellow.
Very, very nice. And so what I was saying, 50 baht extra they take for the expressway. And when we were coming, it was all empty. Nice and full. Chalo now, once I reach MBK, then I'll start ahead in the vlogging. Total then, peace.
Andrew, what you taking?
So this is the strawberry donut, milk glazed and custard one.
I'm thinking of this bubble.
He likes this bubble tea.
No, not bubble tea. I was thinking about these iced beverage, orange one.
Bubble,
No, rather these ones. See, mango smoothie or orange smoothie. This will be ice based. These are better. One mango smoothie, na?
For your dad?
Yeah.
Strawberry.
I'll also have it.
So, strawberry and one mango bus.
And you?
Daddy, I will have this.
And Andrew, you said?
Then I'll have this milk tea.
Yes, see, Jaden.
One milk bubble tea also.
มีแต่ครีมอินไซด์อ่ะ
Less sugar, okay?
อันนั้นที่มีถั่วกับอันนี้คือ
One and this
ครีม
Yes,
นะ
yeah.
take away oil.
Eat here. So these are the donuts here. So I've taken this strawberry one and one this one. We have taken strawberry flavor. One this milky spring and one that one. So these are the ones, not like this. What do you want? What do you want? So we are here now. You can't do much of this. What do you call it? Vlogging, because you know they have a lot of restrictions here of people doing this copyright thing. And there was some vlog, I don't know, someone's which got very viral, where they were copying everything, and then something like that it was. So from that time they have kept security guards also, so you can't do vlogging here. You can do little by little here and there, not much. So whatever I can show you here, I'll show you. And only I think while purchasing, then I'll ask them if I can vlog. If they give the permission, then I'll put it. Otherwise, till then, keep waiting. And this is our donuts. Chalo, I'll see you in a while now.
This is the strawberry smoothie, the mango smoothie, and what is this?
This is the bubble tea.
Bubble tea.
Hi bubble tea.
Hi, bubble tea. You want to try?
And this is Jaden's donuts, which is
Jaden?
Yeah.
Taste and give us your review. Oh, he wants smoothie.
he wants-
Show what do you want? What? Show me how. Okay. He wants this. The mango or strawberry? He always wants to buy the mama name. Strawberry. Andrew, put one straw. He wants a strawberry.
Where's the straw?
Wait.
Acha, wait.
बस बलून
Liking this. Second glass.
Nice. Nice.
I told him less sugar. But just see from now how it's looking. See like these things.
Did daddy want?
He won't like it, it's less sugar. These are the covers, the latest. So she can make these covers for you all if you all want. It starts with 800 baht or 700 baht, whatever you all want. And she'll take 20 minutes, she'll make it for you all, whatever is there. Very nice store, yaar. For girls. See, all different variety of diamond studded, whatever these are, straps and all these things. Very nice it is. For children, these are those pull, you put them on your phone and you can grab them. Very nice these are. Very nice store it is. So we finally finished with MBK. It's 10 o'clock and we are heading to this Halloween theme side. Yes, now Halloween is not started, but people are fully dressed here. So we are sitting inside, now multiple amount of people were coming. So there are whole lot of people here. Just see. Oh wow. See? Just check it. I'll come here again on Halloween day. That day will be funnier. But in Thailand, all over, I was showing you now. This is going on everywhere.
แจกฟรีนะคะหยิบได้เลยค่ะ
Something totally different and on another level of Halloween. Look at these ones here. They're having a concert also here. People are enjoying here. See? Crazy. यार क्या दिखाए क्या ना दिखाए क्रेजी यार ओ भाई क्या है ये क्या सीन है भाई क्या सीन है भाई I hope you all also liking this what I'm showing you all totally something different यार भाई इधर बैठ कर देखोगे ना और भी मजा है very nice man but now I am very hungry also I'm not eating after my breakfast anything so I'm going to search for some street food and eat something yaar very hungry chalo let's see what we're going to eat I'm going to I'll show you what I'm going to eat just now I'm going to search for something nice and then I'll get back to you okay see you in a while
A few moments later.
this in pork stir fry pork this one
Oh, he's eating a ball, Anna. Oh my goodness.
They've given his own
Oh, he's eating a ball.
separate plate.
Oh, and he's eating a
what is this this is crispy chicken Why not?
Your one has rice?
Huh? Yes. What is this?
What is this one? What is this one?
Chicken. Fresh chicken.
Yeah, fried chicken.
Where was it?
Whatever it is, eat it. No, not cook. Eat it.
Mine is coming this long.
He's not eating this.
I am eating this.
Behind the order, everything again has the sweetest.
Yeah, this is sweetest. So this is a Thai green curry. What I've ordered, let's see how it is. First time I'm having this here.
Light
I
rice.
think so that Jaden looks so easy. Very nice.
Yeah, take a photo.
Yeah.
And this is custom made chicken fried rice. Yeah. The Thai green curry is very nice. Very nice. It's worth eating here. Very nice. This place is called Coco. That's the place. Very nice. Chalo. Let me finish. I'm very hungry. Yeah.
I mean, you actually taste this. It's like some food that you never tasted before. Yeah, good food. Very funny place. You know what they put that it tastes like different than anywhere in the town.
That's the same. The leaf they put lemongrass.
And it's very good lemongrass.
Very good tea.
Get lemongrass.
No, very expensive. Look at.
Grow it. Take it for modern color.
No, I'm just recording this. This was a total bill.
So,
You won't able to understand.
So that we can play with them.
Anyway, so don't know what's written. Chicken, we ordered one fried chicken and one chicken fried rice, Thai green curry, rice, one bottle of water. 40 baht. So this was the final bill. And I got the Thai green curry pack. So the rice was only so much. I have rice left at home. Rest I'll end the vlog there in the hotel. So most probably we'll catch a tuk-tuk from here, head to the hotel, and if not that then cab. So see you soon.